Hello dear students, I hope you are doing well. Today we will learn how to write an application at intermediate level. First of all, I will show you I have three pencils in my hands. One pencil has a big tuck and the other two have small tuck, and one pencil has a double tuck in it, and I will write an application according to the manners of application which are required to get maximum marks at intermediate level. So let's see how to write an application. So first of all, I will write the address of the question which we will be given in the examination paper. For example, it's question number 6. First of all, I will write down here question number 6 in this way at the middle of the page, like that. So it is very much necessary to write down the question number which you are going to give the answer. So I will write the question number in this way, and after that, after writing the question number, I will give the heading of the question, that is application, in the center of the page. And I will underline it. And now I will write down the address to whom I am going to write the application. It will be like the principal, to whom I am going to write the application. It may be the principal or the manager of a company. In the first line, the title or the designation of the person whom I am going to write the application will be written, and after that, the address of the institute, the name of the institute will be written in the second line, like government college. And after that, the city or the place where I am going to deliver my application, like city A, B, C. A, B, C is written optionally. You can write down, when you are going to write the application in real words, you can write the actual name of the city, and then I will write down the subject of my application. It will show the purpose of writing application, and what is the purpose of writing my application. So I will write down subject in this way. I am going to write it, and I will write colon after writing subject, and I will write the subject with my pencil or pen. Like I want to get leave for 1 month from the college, I will write down leave for 1 month, and after that I will underline the subject to highlight it, so that the subject may be visible more dominantly to the principal or the person whom you are going to write application. And after that I will write respected sir or sir, and I will put comma after that, and then I will start writing application. The body of the application in the paragraph form, I will give indentation, and then I will start. It is stated that I have been suffering from typhoid fever for 3 days. For 3 days, the doctor has advised me. I have been suffering from typhoid fever for 3 days. full stop. The doctor has advised me to take the doctor has advised me to take complete rest for 1 month for 1 month. So kindly allow me leave. So, comma, kindly allow me leave for 1 month from from the current date October 14, October 14, comma 2021 to November 14, 2021. The medical certificate, full stop. The medical certificate is appended for your kind information. Full stop. Now I will start a next paragraph to say thanks. I shall be very thankful to you for this great act of kindness. In the next line, I shall write again, thanking you, comma. I will move on to the next page. Yours sincerely, comma, X full stop, Y full stop, and Z full stop. And in the next line, I will write down the date, current date of writing application, that is October 14, comma 2021. So this is the actual writing style of application at intermediate level. I will put an ending line at the end of my application. Now, as I have written application in front of you people, but there are some mistakes which can be there are some mistakes, and there are some manners that you have to comprehend at any cost for writing an application in a good way to obtain maximum marks. The first thing that you have to keep in your mind, that you have to give proper address to your application, proper address, and then title of the application, that you are going to tackle this question. And after that you will write down the name and address of that person whom you are going to write application. The first letter will be capital, the T is capital, principals P is capital, and you have to write down PAL principal, not PLE principal. That is the principal which having PLE mean alphabets has different meanings. So after that, after writing the principal, you will put comma at the end, and after that you will write down the name of institute. That should be any institute like government college. G will be capital of government, and the spelling you have to keep in your mind that either the spellings are right or wrong. So you have to write down accurate spelling of government, and after that you will write college. C will be capital, and COLLEGE will be here, not AGE. That will be wrong. That will be known as photo album. So you have to keep in your mind the spelling of college and then put comma at the end. And after that you will assume the name of the city, like city. C will be capital, put bracket around it, and A full stop, B full stop, and C full stop. After that you will write down the title or subject of your application, and S will be capital of subject. You will write it with a marker in a bold face style, and then put colon at the end of subject, and will write down the title of your application, that is leave for 1 month. So leave, L will be capital, and 1 O will be capital, and month M will be capital, and you will put a line under this title to show its dominance, to show that it is a bold face style, in bold face style. So far is not, F is not in capital, because in title the lexical words or content words are always capital, but the functional words like preposition, conjunction, interjection, helping verbs, and article will be written in small letter. Its first letter will also be written in small. So the content words like noun, verb, adverb, adjective will be capital. So after that you will write down, and you should keep in your mind, do not put a full stop at the end of the title of application. So after that you will write respected sir, respected ma'am. So respected R will be capital, and sir, S will be capital, and put comma at the end. So now you are going to start the paragraph of your application, that is the body of application. So first of all, put an indentation. So do not put a long indentation, put only one word average indentation at the start. So this is a bit mistake here. So it should be started from here. It is, you can also write here as most respectfully it is stated that. So after that you will write your body of the application, and then when you are going to start the next paragraph, you should keep in your mind the indentation that is given in the first paragraph should be equal to the indentation that you have given in the next paragraph. So here is double indentation, but here is single indentation. So this is a mistake here, and so you have to keep in your mind that the indentation should be equal at both in both paragraphs. And in the third paragraph, that is thanking you, the indentation is half approximately. So the indentation should be equal in all the paragraphs. And one thing, that thanking you should also put comma at the end of thanking you, and you should keep in your mind that your application should consist of only one page. It should not move towards the next page. It will become awkward a bit. So keep in your mind that you should finish your application, you should write it in such a style that it should consist of only one page. So let's move towards the next page. Here you have to finish your application in a diagonal form, and you will write down yours obediently. Yours, Y will be capital, and yours, and there you should not put an apostrophe here in R and S. So it's right here, and sincerely S should be small here, not a capital one. So yours sincerely, and put a comma at the end of it, and then X full stop, Y full stop, and Z full stop. And after that you have to write down the current date on which you are going to write the application, that is dated. D will be capital here, and date or dated is you can write here date or dated, and then put a colon at the end of it, and then write down the month first, October, and then date, day, and then put a comma between day and year. Here I have put a comma, and then do not write full stop, or put full stop or not, it's no matter. So after writing the application, put a finishing line at the end. So keep in your mind these things while writing application to get maximum marks in the examination. And if you feel any kind of problem, you can ask me. Thank you. Stay always blessed and have a nice day. Good night.